Assalamualaikum. I'm Majbaul and I'm working on full stack software development. And today I'll talk about deep learning. You may thinking why I'm talking about deep learning while I'm working on development sector. So basically, I took my defense as a research-based project. So I had to work on that particular sector. So I had no choice on that point. And one special thing that where I have no idea what is the machine learning or deep learning is, and I got my great supervisor, Mr. Golam Rabbany, and he actually taught me from a very scratch when I have no idea what is that deep learning. So he had to teach me everything from scratch, what is deep learning, what is machine learning, and how it works, and even image processing. My project is on image processing. So I had learned a lot of things from him. And if we talk about what is the opportunity and what is the area of that sector to work, there is a lot of sector to work at, and now technology is actually thinking about that particular sector, deep learning, and also working as a vast amount of area with that sector. So there are research-based papers, you can do conference, you can do journal, you can implement on robotics, you can implement on development sector also. So it is a great opportunity to work with deep learning and machine learning. I hope this sector will grow more in future, and there is a lot of opportunity to work with that sector. So and I'm also working on this particular sector and implementing in development sector to make the site or the website automatic. So when you are talking about automation, deep learning, you have no choice rather than deep learning.